Oh friends, welcome to a new video. Top 5 Best
Velocity Fans.
Number 5.
Xpower FC300 Professional Grade Air Circulator. Ideal for use in workshops, warehouses, stores and various commercial or residential. Xpower's advanced high-torque motor provides focused and extended airflow to create complete rugged rack stand for full 360 superscript omnidirectional airflow for many applications. Maximize energy efficiency with rated 2100 CFM while only drawing 5 amps. Unique spiral grille and deep pitch blade design provide air upwards to 170 feet.
Number 4.
Vornado 733 full-size whole room air. Vornado's signature Vortex technology provides complete circulation of all the air throughout a room. Superior performance through deep-pitched blades that move air up to 100 feet. Multi-directional airflow and whisper quiet operation. 3-speed settings and removable grille for easy cleaning. Durable plastic housing and steady base provide added stability.
Number 3.
Xpower P230 at multi-purpose mini mighty air mover. Compact size fits into tight spaces to direct airflow inside auto interiors, under counters, and more. Lightweight, compact and durable polypropylene pages plastic housing design. Built-in power outlets for daisy chain with dual thermal protection and 3-hour timer. Three speeds with 4-angle drying positions, 0 degrees, 20 degrees kickstand, 45 degrees and 90 degrees. Powerful and energy efficient 1/5 HP induction motor.
Number 2.
Vornado 293 heavy-duty Schwab air circulator fan. Vortex technology provides complete circulation and moves air up to 100 feet. Durable construction with dust-resistant, ball-bearing motor that never needs oiling. 10-foot rounded power cord with convenient storage capability. Three-speed settings with multi-directional airflow. Assembled in the USA, meets social safety requirements, and backed by a 5-year limited.
Number 1.
Master Professional High Velocity Floor Fan. Durable grade for your home, garage, barn, or workshop. Powerful steel construction. Industry-leading high airflow for up to 4,800 CFM. Heavy-duty industrial motor, tilt angle head, all-metal construction, and more. One-year limited warranty.